Today, we will talk about how to build a home gym. Let's have a look at the details. Building your own home gym is a great way to support your fitness goals. No matter how much space you have or your budgetary constraints, you can create a home gym that works for you. Get started by planning out your space. Next, acquire equipment that meets your cardio and strength training needs. Finally, you can add the final touches to complete your home gym. The first step is planning your home gym. Set aside space for your home gym, whether it's a room or corner. Although having an entire room for your home gym is ideal, it's not necessary. Take the room measurements using a tape measure. You need to know how much space you have before you can purchase equipment. You don't want to buy a new machine and find out it doesn't fit. Plan out your workout goals. How you plan to work out will determine what equipment you need for your home gym. For example, if you prefer to do mostly cardio, then you might want to invest in a cardio machine and allow space for cardio workout routines. Shelving and storage can be a game changer. You can store smaller pieces, such as dumbbells, kettlebells, resistance bands, and your jump rope, on shelves or in cubbies. Additionally, you can stash towels, clothing, and gear out of sight. Put down padded flooring if you don't have carpet. Foam flooring will protect your floor from heavy equipment and increase your comfort during workouts. The second step is getting cardio equipment. Install a TV and video player if you enjoy DVD or streaming workouts. You can get the experience of a group cardio workout at home thanks to video workouts. Purchase a treadmill if you enjoy walking or jogging. Treadmills are a great cardio option. Opt for a stationary bike for low-impact conditioning. Stationary bikes can give you the calorie burn you want, as well as increase your heart rate. Get an elliptical if you prefer to hold on to a machine. If you feel safer when holding onto your equipment, you might prefer an elliptical over a treadmill. Pick up a jump rope. A jump rope is an inexpensive cardio option that you can use anywhere. It's also easy to store. Get a Pilo box for CrossFit-inspired workouts. Pilo boxes take up little space but can add up to a big calorie burn. The third step is meeting basic strength training needs. A yoga mat can help you avoid slipping around during your workout. Not only can you use it for yoga, which can help with strength and flexibility. Get a burst-proof stability ball for core work. Stability balls take up little space and can even be deflated and stored, if necessary. You can use your stability ball to build your core by doing exercises like crunches and side crunches on the ball. Opt for an ab wheel for an easy core workout. An ab wheel is a small device that allows you to roll forward and backward while in a plank position. Install a pull-up bar on your door frame. This will allow you to do pull-ups and chin-ups. Best of all, it's inexpensive, easy to install, and takes up little space. Use resistance bands as an alternative to weights. Resistance bands are an easy way to build up strength with little equipment. Opt for a heavy kettlebell for a simple strength solution. Kettlebells are a great choice for your home gym because you can use them in a variety of ways. Buy a set of dumbbells for a small space solution. Dumbbells are a great way to work your muscles and build strength. Use a foam roller to soothe your muscles after a workout. A foam roller is a great addition to your cool down, especially after strength training. It can help your muscles recover faster and break up scar tissue. The fourth step is setting up for bodybuilding. Purchase a sturdy, adjustable weight bench if you have space for it. Having a weight bench is ideal for a solid strength training workout, especially if you want to lift heavy. Buy an Olympic barbell and plates if space allows. A barbell and plates will help you increase your loads to build more strength. Install a power rack for heavy lifting, if space permits. A power rack is essential for heavy lifting if you don't have a spotter on hand. The fifth step is completing your home gym. Keep your space clean and clutter-free. Remove unneeded items, such as stored boxes and stacks of papers, if you can. This will help you stay focused on your workout. Install a TV or speakers for entertainment, if you prefer. Gyms commonly offer TVs and music to make your workout more enjoyable. Consider installing a floor-length mirror. A mirror can allow you to watch your form while you work out. Hang inspirational wall art, if you desire. You might not choose to hang items if you build your gym in a shared space. However, decorating your home gym can make your workouts more enjoyable.